When you were very small, you couldn't walk properly, isn't it? Then how did you visit different places? Well, your parents or grandparents carried you to all these different places, isn't it? Now, when you started learning to read and write, to paint, who taught you all these things? Well, your parents and grandparents again, isn't it? Now, you did not learn all these things in one day. You had to try them many times, and they were patient with you. If you did not understand something once, they explained you again and again and again. So they were very patient with you when you couldn't do something in just one try. Now, the same people, that is your grandparents and parents, are becoming older and older as the days pass, isn't it? Now, there is a major difference between you and your parents or grandparents. As you are growing older, you are becoming taller and stronger. But the same thing doesn't happen with old people. Well, as people grow old, they become weaker. And that is a major difference between you and older people. Now, these people do not have proper control on their limbs. So once people start growing old, they do not have proper control on their hands and feet. So they have difficulty in holding things or walking. Also, they are unable to see and hear properly. So as they grow older, they become weaker, isn't it? Now their eyes become pretty weak. Although they have glasses, still they have difficulty in reading things or seeing things properly. So their eyes are not as sharp as yours. Also, their ears become weak as well. They cannot hear as good as you. So you see, as they grow old, their ability to see or hear things decreases. And as their hands and feet are pretty weak, as a result, they face difficulty in walking. Also, they become forgetful. So you will see that usually your grandparents place something and then they forget where they have placed those things, and they have difficulty in relocating such things. And they feel lonely as they have grown old. Now their friends and relatives are not close to them. So they feel lonely because you are busy with your own lives and your parents are busy with their own lives. They go to office, you go to school. So you see, when people grow old, they face a number of challenges. So their body is very weak, they cannot walk properly, they become forgetful, and also they feel very lonely. So what can we do about it? Can we just leave them as they are, or should we actually make an effort to help them overcome these challenges? Well, when we were young, they did all they could so that we could learn walking, we could learn reading, and we could lead our lives comfortably. So now it is our responsibility to give back the same gesture. So what can we do about these things? Well, we know that they face problem in seeing or hearing things. So what can we do? Well, we can read interesting articles and news to them since they face difficulty in seeing and hearing. This will help them stay informed, and at the same time, they will be able to spend good time with you. Now also, we know that they usually cannot walk properly because their limbs have become weak. So what can we do about it? Well, we can take them for a walk. Because they cannot walk properly, so they do not have the confidence to go on the road where there are so many vehicles, isn't it? When you were not able to walk, they supported you in that time, isn't it? And now it's your turn. They are unable to walk properly. So once you assist them, you are able to give back the same thing, isn't it? So it's very important that you understand their challenges and you support them. So taking them for a walk is a very important step towards it. Now, we know that they feel lonely. They do not have friends around. So what we can do is we can spend time with them. Spend time with them so that they don't feel lonely. And this is a very important gesture. When you spend time with them, you will see that it's not just them who are benefiting. Even you will benefit a lot by interacting with them, because they have huge experience of life. When you share your life experiences with them, you get good advices and suggestions from them. So when you spend time with them, they don't feel lonely, and at the same time you gain useful life experiences. Now I'll share with you story of David. Now David spent a lot of time with his grandfather, and what did he achieve from this? Well, his grandfather shared lots of his life stories with David. Not only were the stories interesting, but they also taught him many good moral values of life. Similarly, Ravi takes his grandparents for a walk every day. And what does he achieve from this? Well, his grandparents are weak, so they get the confidence when they are walking with Ravi. And at the same time, his grandparents help him learn about many different plants, trees, fruits and birds. So all this he is able to learn because he goes for a walking with his grandparents. So you see, it's not just the older people, but even the younger people gain a lot from spending time with older people. And then there is Sahil. Now Sahil understands that his grandparents are unable to operate electronic devices properly. So he spends time with them, teaching them how to operate mobile phones and tablets, so that whenever he is not around, they can easily make calls or watch interesting videos on their electronic devices. So you see, all the three kids understood their responsibility when they are with older people, because older people have become weak and they face a number of problems because of their age. So now can you answer this question? It's evening, your friends are calling you out to play, your grandfather cannot find his walking stick and he cannot walk without it. What would you do? Would you go out to play as your friends have been waiting for long? Would you pretend that you cannot see or hear him? Or would you tell your friends to wait, then find the stick for him? What do you think? What will be the right answer? Well, the answer will be C. The correct thing to do is tell your friends to wait, then find the stick for him. Because if he cannot find the stick, he won't be able to go for walk. But your friends can really wait for a few minutes. So, can you answer this question? Your grandmother wants to call her friend using her new mobile phone. She is not able to do so. You will take the phone from her and call her friend. You will teach her how to use the mobile phone to make calls, or you will pretend not to hear her as she keeps asking about different things every 5 minutes and keeps forgetting them. What will be the right answer? Well, the right answer will be that you will teach her how to use the mobile phone to make calls, because even when you are not around, she'll be able to make the call, isn't it? So you may say that you will take the phone from her and call her friend, which can be an option, but when you're not around, she will face problems. So the correct answer will be teach her how to use the mobile phone to make calls so that she can do it even when you are not around. Now, there are many old people who do not have families to support them. So you see, where do they live? Well, they live in special homes for the elderly. So there are so many people who do not have homes like our grandparents or families like our grandparents, and they live in such special homes for the elderly. These are called old age homes. Now, these old age homes are run by different organizations. And many people like you and me visit them in their free time so that these old people who do not have their own families get few moments of comfort and happiness. And whenever you get free time, you can also visit some old age homes and you will see that there are so many people just like your grandparents, and they will love it when you will visit them. So you see, once people grow old, their body becomes weak. Also, they become forgetful and they feel lonely. So it's very important that we have care and compassion for such elderly people. So whenever you get time, spend time with them. Also, you can help them in many ways, like taking them for a walk or reading them the newspaper. All these small gestures will make their life a bit more comfortable and a bit more happier. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.